A very good morning to all of you, class 7. Class 7 beta. Today we will discuss about the advanced filter. What is advanced filter? Advanced filter option is used to filter the data in multiple fields using the specified criteria to copy the filter records to a different location. Beta, yesterday we have studied that yesterday we have studied the filtering data. Okay, so difference between the filtering data and the advanced filter is that beta, filtering data. Okay, as we have studied filtering data. What is filtering data? Filtering data is the one of the most important feature of MS Excel, which helps us to display only those records that meet the specified criteria. Okay, same advanced filter option is also presenting the same, but the difference between both is that beta, filtering data helps to uh, filter only those records that meet the specified criteria only in the single column. Okay, but in the advanced filter option we have to filter the data in multiple fields using the specified criteria. Okay, that means here we can filter the data in multiple fields. Okay, and with the help of advanced filter we can also copy the filter records to a different location, or we can find the unique records. Okay, now let us see how we can find the unique records. First of all, what we have to do, we have to insert at least 3 blank rows above the range, which is called as the criteria range. Okay, then how we can select the criteria range? We have to select the home tab. Okay, after selecting the home tab we have to select the insert option. Okay, by clicking the insert option, the option will next option will come, insert sheet rows option. Okay, we have to click the insert sheet rows option. As soon as we click on this, the criteria range will be shown, and that criteria range must have the column labels. Okay, that column labels, you should see that there should not be any blank row between the criteria values and the range. What we have to do after that, select the range to A4 to D4 and press Ctrl plus C to copy the range. After copying the range, we have to select the cell A1. A1 means the first column and the first row. Okay, and after that press Ctrl plus V and type the criteria which you want to match in the row below the column labels. After matching in the column labels, type 10,000 under the field name salary, that is D2. Click on a cell within a data range. Okay, select the data tab and click on the advanced button in the sort and filter group. Okay, that means as I told you, the option which we are choosing for sorting and filtering the data, same data tab you have to choose and click on advanced button in the sort filter group. You will notice that the range is already defined in the list range. Means as soon as you click on advanced button, the list is already defined. Means आपको list को define नहीं करना पड़ेगा, list is already defined in the list range group. Okay, after that you can see you have to select copy to another location radio in the action section of the advanced filter dialog box. Means what you can do beta, as soon as you see that the list is already defined in the list range and the criteria range, you have to select the copy to another location radio button in the action section of the advanced filter box. You have to define the criteria range box by entering the reference with the criteria range including the field name. Okay, after defining the range of the target location where the copy where the filtered rows will be copied in copy to box, that is F6 to 6, click OK. The data will get filtered according to the specified condition and be copied in the box which you have defined in copy to the box. Okay, so we can say in Microsoft Excel we can also filter and sort the data by cell color. Okay beta,